Welcome to Metaverse Marvels. This is the place where we explore the tools and technologies shaping the future of interactive worlds. In today's video, we'll begin with an introduction to Unreal Editor for Fortnite, also known as UEFN, the powerful tool that lets you design, script, and publish your own Fortnite experiences. Have you ever wanted to build your own Fortnite game mode? Just like the ones you already play? UEFN is built on Unreal Engine 5. It's creative supercharged. So, why should you use UEFN? First, creative freedom. Publishing and monetization. UEFN supports nearly every style of gameplay you can imagine. If you've seen it in Fortnite, chances are someone built it with UEFN. So whether you're creating something just for your friends, your journey as a Fortnite creator begins now.